V8 and all.
78 Cadillac Eldorado.
It's a good runner.
It's a runner.
Right. All of these cars pretty much were started and driven in here and backed in or whatever. So
Okay.
they should come right back out with a little bit of tender loving care. This particular car is an 81 Cadillac Fleetwood. And I got it from the owner who had an 81 and a 71. And I was told at the time that this car belonged to a songwriter who wrote The Yellow Rose of Texas.
Okay.
And a song called Green Door, What's Behind the Green Door. That was a popular song back in the 70s.
Is that a Ram Charger back there? Power wagon, maybe?
Well, it's kind of like that. It's a good looking truck, but I've got something that's probably just as interesting to a lot of people. This is a 69 Dodge Stepside pickup. And it has the good running, and still runs, slant 6.
Okay.
Standard shift. Somebody needs that car. Got it covered up to keep the rain and bugs out of it. This car hasn't been started for a while, so it will take a little bit of...
What model is it? What year model is this one?
This is in the mid-70s.
Mid-70s Dodge Pickup.
Yeah, and cleans up pretty nicely, interior and all. It's got the V8.
There's something over here caught my eye, Jim. Is that Chevy pickup with the Pate sign on the side of it?
There's a story behind that.
Yeah, I bet that is that something you're going to sell?
Consider it. We use it here.
Do you?
Yeah, that's our workhorse. We move some of these cars around rather than starting them all.
Is that a 55, 56?
65 is correct.
55?
It's got the...
The actual wrecker.
That's exactly. Came from the Pate Museum, which is a well-known facility associated with the Pate Swamp Meet, of course, up at the racetrack. This one, before Dr. Pate got the car, it was out of Colorado, probably Denver area. But we still use it, and I just backed it up there yesterday to help that tree from falling down on something.
Yeah.
68 model Jeep CJ5 over there. It's got a little V6 in it.
Which one?
This little red guy over here.
Over here?
Mhm.
CJ5?
CJ5 with a roll bar. And we used to pull it to the mountains.
Hunting vehicle?
Automatic tranny with transfer case. Pretty unusual. Factory V6. Come out of there nice. A lot of good trips and memories.
Your hunting truck, huh?
Yeah. Keeping Mountaineer. You might notice we do have some short vans in here. Dodge vans in the early 80s. Pretty popular. V8s. Here's one that's covered up to protect it. Early, about an 82, 83 Cadillac Eldorado, the downsize with a stainless steel top. Red body.
Stainless steel top.
Yes, sir.
That's when they shortened it from the other.
Smaller car in the early 80s.
Okay.
I have a pair of those here. And then an unusual older model Chevy four-wheel drive over here. This Chevy Suburban. But as we walk over here, this is even another rare guy. This
Jeep
is
pickup.
Jeep, the 73 Jeep CJ20 or J20. And it's, of course, four-wheel drive with the big 360 cubic inch motor.
V8.
It's a strong truck, strong. This military used the same drivetrain and same truck back in that time frame as well.
Now here's another Eldorado. What's this one here?
This is a convertible, 1976. In need of painting, but it's got a brand new V8 motor in it and tranny. Interior's been done, all back to its original color. The 76 is the Bi-Centennial Cadillac. So it had red, white, and blue.
Oh, okay.
White leather interior with blue and red piping, and white body with blue and red pinstriping.
And then here's another.
This is the second of the 36 model Cadillacs. This is a different body style. It's the same basic body, but it's also the trunk back, which a lot of people like. We've just pulled it here and left it temporarily before all the rain. It's got the wire wheels, and I think it's a very handsome body. Make a great car. There's no cancer on this car. All the parts are cancer free.
Here's a side shot of that Bi-Centennial Eldorado.
But this would make a great car for somebody to include a street rod.
And here's another old car that we passed up.
Yeah, we'll go back if you want to. That Dodge. That's what I call the little orange.
The orange truck. Oh yeah.
1976 Dodge 360, 3 on the tree. Very unusual. Good straight, good running motor and vehicle.
What kind of engines it got?
360 cubic inch.
360. Okay.
And you might walk back here. Got a good solid bed full of leaves. But it would wash up nicely. The patina would be outstanding.
Got tread plate in the bed instead of wood.
Correct. And there's your Dodge emblem.
Yep, that'd be a cool truck.
This is a strong truck. And then right beside of it is a 1941 Cadillac. It was in the shop over there, and when we pulled it out, it was ready to be painted. But Texas sun and weathers put it back in the need of priming.
Took the primer off.
Yeah. It had the V8, and you can see where it was right down to the lead attachment and so forth. Got a pair of those here on the lot. This is a 78 model Lincoln town
car.
Well, it's
Continental.
Yeah, Lincoln Continental, and it's got the little pilot window and so forth. This is a good running car again. It's got the big Ford motor.
And what's that one back there?
No, that's more rare than even this one. That's a 1942, and by the way, it does have a title, Texas title. 42 Cadillac 63 series 4-door fastback.
4-door fastback.
And this particular car was a military car. It was, I've been told it was an MP car. So it needs to be brought back. It's cancer free as well. I have a pair of these little guys.
Little Ford pickup.
Ford pickup. Somebody wants an economical, good running little 4-cylinder for a family member or somebody.
There's a Ford Ranchero.
Got this one, and this was the GT series. It had the 3 stripes down below. Came out of the factory that way. It was red. Got black primer over it. But if you dust off some of the splashing over there, you'll see that it's got the series. And it's got the big Ford motor. This should be another 1429. Let's see if we can get this open. All there with the air conditioner.
429.
Yeah, this is a good running. I got a pair of these. In fact, I've got a white one at the second location. And this is pretty unusual. Early 70s Ford 2-door. It's had a little bit of trim done on the motor. It's got some extra chrome added. Somebody might like to have that.
Is this the LTD?
Yes.
Ford LTD 2-door.
Anybody in need of the older Lincolns? I've got a pair of these.
Is this the town car?
Yeah, that's the town car. Sure is.
Got a couple of those.
Right. Call this guy back. Here's another couple of Cadillac. This is the pair to that red and white with a stainless top.
Okay,
like
it
the original.
matches it.
Mm-hmm. And then we've got 2 or 3 of these Sevilles, which they were really popular cars. We passed up one.
Yeah, let me take the shot. I remember that. There it is, right there in front of that. So that one and that white one match.
We had those 75 through 78, and just a little history with LaSalle. The Cadillac came real close to calling those LaSalle instead
Oh,
of Seville.
is that right?
Mm-hmm. But we're gonna walk over here, and I'm gonna
There's
give
a couple of older ones right here.
this one's probably more so in the parts car category. A lot of good stuff, but there's unfortunately a lot of water over here, but we'll walk and see best we can. This car is a 1960 Cadillac 60 Special Fleetwood.
Look at the fins on this one, guys.
Yeah, and you'll notice the tag when it's clean, but it has 49 on the tag, and that represents the exact 100% mileage on the speedometer, 49,000.
49,000.
And more importantly than that, or as important as that is, local people would know, and Gary, you might know as well, but this family that owned this was the originator of Buddy's Supermarkets.
Oh yeah, what was their name?
Markham.
Markham.
Mr. Buddy Markham. This is his car. I have the original title. It's never been transferred from him
We
to
got his
me.
name on it. Happy
Right.
day. Buddy Supermarket owner.
That evolved into.
How'd that Mercedes get in here?
I got a pair of those.
Do you?
Yeah, I got maybe 3. This is a nice little. I think this is I'm guessing lose track of the exact years on some of these cars, but I'm thinking this is in the early 80s. It's a pretty car. Do have a title for it. It's got the Mercedes diesel motor, clean inside and out. It would make a great car for